Boom. You can set parameters for the camera and gimbal on the HiBright main monitor on DJI Ronin 4D. On the top menu bar of the main monitor, settings from left to right are EI, aperture, shutter speed, and frame rate. On the bottom menu bar, settings from left to right are ND, white balance, timecode, and resolution. Slide the screen or rotate the dial to change the setting. Certain menus have advanced settings. Press and hold to enter. Tap the blank space to exit the adjustment. On the left side of the screen, settings from top to bottom are battery level, storage medium, and the remaining recording time, gimbal status and speed, gimbal balance detection, AF/MF switch, active track button, and volume level. On the right side are focusing assistance meter and focal length of the lens. To enter the parameter settings page and adjust parameters for recording, monitoring, user settings, storage, system settings, lens, stabilizer, and transmission. Tap recording to adjust settings for video, audio, settings. Tap video to set safe area, video codec, resolution, frame rate, storage, record LUT. Tap audio to adjust audio input and gains. Tap settings to adjust sharpness and noise. Enable rec sound alert to enable beep reminder at the start and end of the recording. To adjust settings for exposure assistance, focusing assistance, monitor, and look. Ronin 4D provides 3 exposure assistance tools: zebra, waveform, and false color, as well as 3 focusing assistance tools. Tap monitor to adjust screen display, including masking ratio, transparency, safe area ratio, monitor LUT, center marker type, brightness, and rotation of the screen. Rotate can be enabled or disabled at your convenience. To change screen orientation, tap Look to select main monitor LUT and manage LUT files. To import a custom LUT, change the suffix of the 33.3D LUT file to .cube. Copy it to the root directory of the storage medium, and then mount the medium to the main body. To add or delete a LUT, enter LUT file settings to view current LUT files. To delete a LUT, select the file, tap Delete, and confirm deletion. Then tap Cancel to return the previous page and check the updated look list. To add a LUT, tap Import to view all LUT files in the storage medium. Select the LUT file you need and tap Import again. After importing, tap Cancel to return to the previous menu and check updates on the look list. Tap Exit to exit LUT file settings. The custom LUT file has been imported to Look. Go to Monitor, Monitor LUT to select desired monitoring LUT. To set recording LUT, go to Recording, Video, Rec LUT, and select the LUT you need. Select User Settings to view user profile and import, export, add, or delete certain items. Select Storage to check the remaining capacity and total capacity of the inserted storage medium and the remaining recording time. You can also format the storage medium. Select System to change the settings for fan mode, date, time, and language, and check version numbers. Tap Factory Reset to reset all settings. Select Lens to set focusing mode, meter unit, and ROI. Select Calibration to reset the motor or perform focus motor initialize and focus calibration. Select Stabilizer to adjust settings of follow and joystick, or to calibrate the gimbal. In transmission, you can link with the HiBright remote control